Hey fam, welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Shalana. In today's video, I'm gonna do a get ready with me. I actually have my mom's surprise 70th birthday party coming up tonight, and I'm actually supposed to be on my way like right now. So I'm going to show you guys how I got this look. It's a very like a Latina feel, and I was just like really feeling like not doing my hair, so I ended up putting some leave-in conditioner in, pushing it back or brushing it back, and that's what ended up happening today. And I popped some earrings on, a bold lip, call it a day. This is a very easy, effortless look. I'm actually also going to be showing you guys how I use the new Covergirl matte foundation. It's the Trublend matte made foundation, and I'm gonna let you know what I think about it actually toward the end of the video. So if you guys are interested in this video, just keep on watching. So the devil's a liar, because I was literally in the middle of filming and the first half of the video disappeared. I don't know where it went, but that is okay, because not today, Satan. We are just gonna continue. So I'm not too sure how I'm gonna piece this all together, but so far what I have used on my face has been the Covergirl Trublend skin primer, which is the skin smoothing one. This is the white one of the 4 that comes in the huge PR box that CoverGirl actually sent me with all their new Trublend matte made foundations. And on my face, I have the M70 and M40. So I did have to mix it because it does oxidize, and I needed the lighter to kind of go with the darker. And so yeah, there really was like no in between, because the 50 was just like it wasn't matching like my actual skin tone. And so I felt like once I put one layer of the M70 and then sparkled in with the M40, it really just blended out and made like a nice color to match my skin. So then, this is so funny because I have no idea like where the camera left off, and it's just weird. And for contour, I use the Fenty Beauty Truffle, which comes like this, and then I just did kind of like 1, 2. I did the jaw area right here, and I did a little bit of a contour with the nose. I do feel like I'm starting to look a little bit more tan, and that's because the foundation does oxidize, so it does get darker. So I feel like the M70 is going to be perfect for the summertime, like when I get a tan and stuff. And yeah, right now it just gets a little bit dark for my shade, but I'm going to give you an overall review of this foundation. And then I use the NYX eyebrow cake powder. It's super old, like I've been using this forever. Of course, the Laura Mercier translucent powder to set my under eyes and like to really define the contour. Now I'm literally gonna just go into the itsmyRayeRaye palette and grab, I think it's called Mousse and Pancake, and I'm literally going to go in with like a big fluffy brush and sweep it like all over the lid, because I'm not really going for anything like perfect at all, honestly. And I really just want like a dusted look. Like, does that even make sense? Like a dusted look, like just like effortless, even though it took me like this long to do it. It's just like I want it to be super effortless. So that's it. Just a little bit of color there. So once again, I took Mousse and Pancake, which are both like really nude brownish colors. And then what I'm doing with my hair is I'm just like leaving some leave-in conditioner in it and going to slick it back so that I have a very like Latina kind of look. Then I'm gonna be like a little bronze goddess, because I look like I got a tan, y'all, for real. Alright, I'm almost done. I'm just gonna even that out a little bit. All right, I'm going to go in with some blush, which the one that I use is the e.l.f. It's like a little palette. This is a little palette right here. And I typically just go in with like 1, 2 right here. And this is the blush palette, but it's the light one. Then I go in with this fluffy brush and just like really blend that out with the bronzer or contour. Then what I like to do is take my setting spray. So today I'm going to use the CoverGirl Look Lock Up All Day Setting Mist. And I'm going to spray. Gonna let that dry a bit. There is like bronzer all over my hands because unfortunately the other day my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette fell and it just like shattered. It was so sad. All right, I'm going to take one of my favorite highlighters right now, which is the Amrezy and Anastasia highlighter. And now that my face is kind of like moist, it's gonna really take that highlighter to another level. All right, y'all, another level. Gonna highlight my nose. Cupid's bow. Actually, I'm gonna put a little bit up here. Just, just dip your whole face in it. If you hear like a knocking sound, that's my moon wearing her little kitten heels. She just, she's ready to party. Where is my red lipstick? Okay, so I'm gonna be putting on my red lipstick right quick. I am going to be putting my earrings and then mascara. I should probably wear that. I'm going to mix the They're Real Mascara by Benefit and the Voluminous Butterfly Mascara by L'Oreal. So these two I'm going to go ahead and mix up. I'll be right back to show you the final look. My hairline is so weird, guys. But, look, see? I have a little widow's peak. But we're gonna work it out. So it's definitely like Latina vibes. I'm giving you all the Latina vibes in this look. All of them. Because this is definitely like a classic slick back Latina, like J-Lo is here kind of look. Actually, let me fix this because I'm not really feeling this. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit more gel on this side, and I'm just using some Eco Style. I know that some people aren't using Eco Style anymore because some of the ingredients, but I have this tub that I'm going to finish. After this tub, I might not use it anymore. If you haven't heard about it, it's something to the nature of like the ingredients. One of the ingredients is linked to causing some sort of like, I don't really know actually. It's like causing cancer or something like that. But there's so many things out there that we have to be careful about. We literally just have to cover ourselves with the blood of Jesus because at the end of the day, there's so much stuff out there. It's ridiculous. So, I paired it with these earrings. If you want to see my whole outfit, make sure you watch the vlog. But I wanted to just pop in and show you guys how I did this bun thing, which I need some bobby pins down here so that I have it, because I don't see any right now. I'm going to go ahead and put my lipstick on. Oh, one thing that I started doing again, or like really accentuating, was my beauty marks because they get so lost in the makeup. So I take this little pencil thing and I go to where the beauty mark is. Actually, I can't even see, guys. I have to get closer. I literally just dot it where it was. and I accentuate it. And then what I do is I take my beauty blender and I pat it so that it doesn't look so like aggressive. There's like 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. This one's a little lighter, but you see one there. They're like naturally there, but I decided to like really bring them out. Bring them out, bring them out. Wow, that's such an old song. All right, so this is the natural lighting, and I'm literally trying to get all the lighting possible because the sun is starting to go down. But this is what it looks like in natural light, guys. See the foundation? I don't feel like you can see it through the camera. It actually looks like it blends really well, but I am a little lighter than what the foundation is. But you know, when you like really try to blend it in very well, it does, you can't even tell. You just make yourself look tanner than what you are. So this is the final look. What y'all think? This is the final look. I actually decided to take my necklace off because the earrings were kind of doing their own thing. So I said, why not? And I really feel good about the consistency and the feel of how the foundation feels on my skin. The only negative I feel, which isn't really a huge negative, was that there wasn't just one color that actually matched. So right now, like, I kind of have a little bit of a, like, I have to really blend it into my skin, which, hold up, I forgot to put some highlight on my, on here. I have to be careful because this little shirt is white, so okay, maybe here too. Let's just do that. So overall, I'm really feeling the way the makeup feels on my skin. Today's look was definitely like a Latina, like, you know, J-Lo going out type of look today. And I'm so sorry that the first half of the footage just disappeared on me. But I think that this overall is the look. I really want to start doing more get ready with me's. And hopefully the footage won't disappear and won't delete on me. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you can see more of my up and coming videos that are literally coming your way, guys. And so that you won't miss a beat, make sure that you click on the bell so that you get the notification once I upload. And then you could be like the first to watch. You know what I'm saying? Like, thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.